Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see how we can create API in Python. Okay, see, now we'll see creating simple APIs. Later we'll see fast APIs also how we can create in Python. Okay, so guys, what we will do today, we'll create API in Flask. Okay, and that will test in Postman. Okay, and we'll check how it will test and all. If you're getting error, that also we will solve, guys. Okay, so start, guys. So you can see, guys, I am in my Flask project only. See, already I have done, guys, how you can do Flask project or Python, how you can run in Flask. Okay, so everything I have done, guys, already. You can see that video in my channel. You will get that in Python playlist tutorial. There you will get. Otherwise, what I will do, I'll give in I button, or either I will add that in end screen. Okay, so just visit that, guys. Okay, see, guys, this is the main file of app.py, which will be the main file of Flask project, right? So here only we'll create one simple API. Means starting we'll learn only simple APIs how we can create. Okay, so for that, what we need to do, guys, we need to import the Flask, right? So what we are doing here, import Flask, sorry, from Flask, import. And one more thing, guys, you need to install the Flask. If you don't have, means if you're not installed, you need to install that first. Okay, so, and first by importing, guys, Flask, then we will import the JSONify. Okay, JSONify we have imported. Then next we are importing request. This is all we need, guys. Request also we need for creating APIs. Okay, and see, guys, to install the Flask libraries, you need to use this command, guys, pip install Flask. Okay, or you can do in env also. I have done in environment, guys. Okay, you can do like this also. So guys, pip install Python, you need to use. By using this, you can install Flask in your applications. Okay, fine. So guys, here see these things we require. That is, first one is Flask, JSONify, and request. So these all we are importing from Flask. Okay, this is done, guys. So as you know, the Flask is what it will create the Flask application, guys. And JSONify means what it will do, guys, it will convert the Python dictionaries. Means while creating APIs will take some Python dictionaries, guys, so that it will convert into an JSON object, and which will be sent as a response. Okay, so for that we are using JSONify, which is important, guys. And request means what is an object which contains data sent with the client's request. Okay, such as a form data it will contain, or JSON payloads, like that it is. Okay, so request is also important. Okay, fine, this is done, guys. First we need to import that. Then next what we need to do, we need to create a Flask app. Okay, so for that, app is equal to, this is common, guys, we will use all Flask applications. This is okay, sorry, it's not like that. Okay, here it will be a name, then again like this, guys. Okay, so this you need to create, guys. What we will do, guys, we will create one home file. Means API now, one home route we can create, guys. So that we will try to create first, then later we'll create the main get request API we will create, guys. Okay, so the main route will be here, guys. So one is application has been created now at app dot root. Means this is our main route, guys. Okay, that I'll show you, guys, sorry, how it will work and all. And this is our function that is define home. Okay, okay, see, it is taking indentation automatically. Oh, here it will come colon. Okay, okay, indentation is taking, good. Then here we're returning, what we're returning, guys, one simple welcome will write, guys, welcome to the Flask API. Okay, so we're creating in Flask, so we'll add here Flask API. Okay, so welcome, fine. See, guys, this is our main route. So when we will run the program now, that time first we can see this, guys, welcome. Okay, this is the thing. We'll check that also. We need to create your Python environment. So for that I have to go here, activate. So it is activated now. Okay, so we'll run this, guys. Okay, first, and we'll check how it will. Python app.py, what is happening? It is not running. Okay, sorry. Sorry guys, even I have to write here at the end that I have not included. Sorry for that. So that I'll write guys now. Main thing only I forgot. So what I have to write here, I'll take enter. So if you know guys, this we need to use this, otherwise it will not run only, right? So sometimes it happens guys. Please try and understand, okay? So I'm taking guys this. So what it will do, that also I'll tell. First we'll write these all things. Okay, this is done. Then here we are taking app.run. Oh, what it is coming here. Here it is debug. Sorry guys. Debug is equal to true. See this what it will do guys, this will start the Flask development servers guys, which is debug is equal to 2 argument. It enables the debug mode and which will provide the details error, if suppose if there are any errors, that also it will provide guys, okay? So this we need to include guys, otherwise it will not run. Okay, so now we will see guys. So now you can see guys, now it is running, right? Earlier it was not running because of that only guys, I have not included this. See if you're doing this mistake, then guys please check that, okay? So we'll see here as well first. So what I'm doing, I'm taking this. So we have created one simple API, you can see guys. Okay, and here if I go here, you can see guys, it is showing now welcome to the Flask API, which we have written here is that only it is showing, okay? So this is simple thing guys. Now what we will do, we'll create one get request guys here. Oh, not here, here we'll create guys one get request. Okay, so to create get request, same we need to take guys, but here we need to take second root. This is our main root guys, forward slash, okay? So same I'll take here app dot root root, okay? So here is my API forward slash data, okay? So this is my get request root guys, which is API forward slash data. You can change guys how you want, like that you can take, but I want like this, so I have taken like this guys, okay? And here we are performing get request, right? So for that, what how it will be, here we need to define method as well, okay? So method is equal to, here there will be a get, okay? And what it will do guys, it will take only the get requests, okay? It will not take any post requests, so we are defining here get. Then next what will happen, here our function will come guys, that is define post underscore data. You can give any function name guys, right now I am giving this only, okay? And here colon will come. Okay, this is our function. In this function we are writing our data, which is our dictionary guys, okay? So here what it will come, here message we are writing is simply, okay? Means simple, we are taking one example guys for that, okay? So here we will write hello world and comma, and here our status, okay? So status will be what, it will be a success, okay? Means if it is done, it will give success. Then next, here where we need to return, right? So we are returning what, return JSONify. I have told you guys what is JSONify. So JSONify, what it will do, it will take that dictionary data and it will return that data in a JSON format, okay? So this is a JSONify. So as I told you guys, this what it will do, this app route, this is our get root app guys. And method get means what, it will accept only the get requests, okay? And here you can see guys, def get underscore data, it will handle the get request, okay? And this is a function hour, okay? And here you can see guys data, it contains a dictionary, which is, means this is a dictionary which contains message and status, okay? And it is returning JSONify, means the dictionary data it will convert in JSON response, and that it will send back to the client, okay? So for that we are using this JSONify. Now we'll test this API, guys. Okay, so for that, what we need to do, we will go in our postman, and here see guys, I have created one already application. So here we'll take the API route. The API route means, guys, see here it is a path, right? Same path we need to take, is this we need to take here. Then forward slash, what is the root here? Here the root is API forward slash data, right? So this we need to copy, paste it here. Okay, this is done. So whatever data we are given here, that response we need to get in JSON format. Okay, so let me check this. Okay, so now this is our API has been created, guys. Means this is our API, guys, get request API, and we are testing that in postman. Okay, so I'll do now. I have written, I have taken request is get. Now I'll do send. So it is giving one error. Okay, so what I will do for that, see it is in after some time. See it is stopped running. So now we will run, guys, that. What is happening is here. Type error I'm getting here, so something is missing. I have to check that, guys. So let me check. This is okay. Route API. Okay, this is correct. Here this get, here we will change this. I have taken it was here. It is get underscore data. Then our data is message hello world. Yes, status. Yes, JSONify data. Then at the end, if this is correct, method is correct, right? Methods. Okay, sorry guys. Here it will be methods. Okay, we need to take methods, guys. Okay, because it is showing, see guys, keyword argument, that is method. Okay, so now we will see. Again, it is showing URL rule API must start with a slash. Okay, it is telling it should start with slash. So we'll take here slash, guys. Now we'll see. See guys, now it is running. See, we got error, that also we solved, right? Fine. So this already I have taken, guys, here. Just I have to test here API. Okay, so see guys, I'm getting response in my JSON format. You can see guys here, this response I'm getting, right? So this is our get request API, guys, and we have created and we got response as well, 200. Okay, and you can see guys, this is a simple API we can create, guys, in Python. Only 2 3 lines are there, guys, and easily you can create, right? One more thing, guys, see here also we are testing, right? Same we can test in browser. Get API we can test, guys. We cannot test post, but get we can test. Here also we'll get response. You can see, guys, here also we are getting response, right? Okay, so like this you can test, guys. So I hope guys you got how we can create API in Flask. Okay, suppose if you have any question, queries, and guys, please comment in comment box. This is our get API. We'll see later different APIs also, post also we'll see, guys. Then again fast APIs also we will see. So stay tuned to my channel. I'll bring new things to you guys. And if you have any question, queries, then please guys comment in comments. And if you're liking my videos, then like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting, guys.